Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to make 500 short clips in a few clicks, so let's start. First we need to go to Google and type opus.pro. When you get to the page you need to register first. After you registered, go to YouTube and search for a long video. When you find a video you like, click on the share button and copy the link. After you copied the link, go to the Opus clip and paste that link. After 10 minutes your videos will be ready. This is the results.
The moon landing was real, maybe.
What what made you make the switch from like being a moon landing denier to like you're
That's a good
fucking
question.
crazy if you don't
No, I don't think we're crazy. No, this is my take on it. Absolutely, I don't know enough about astrophysics, about space travel,
Right.
about the science that's the work that's been done, about how to get a rocket to the moon and back. I definitely don't know enough. And I've looked at a lot of very compelling documentaries that explain why they think it was hoaxed. And they'll show you some footage, and you can look at some of the footage, and it looks fake as fuck. There's some footage that, to me, looks really doctored. There's
To this day?
Yeah, to this day. There's some when you ever seen ones where it looks like they're on wires, like the astronauts are on wires?